At first, we might be concerned with how to make more money. Eventually, it's how to hold on to our money. And then it's how to grow money. And then it's how to pay our team and make sure that the money keeps coming in and make sure the money is consistent and make sure that our business is growing. And there's always something that may stress us out around money, around building more wealth and abundance. So when we have this stressor around money, what happens is usually our fight or flight response kicks in, right? Particularly if our nervous system is dysregulated. You know, it's normal for us to feel an experience in our body, in our physical being that says, oh, this is something that I might need to attend to. Like I said, the problem is these stressors are usually chronic in our society. So what happens is we don't get through it in 5 or 10 minutes, like being chased by a lion, and then we settle down, we shake off the stress, we're able to return to our baseline, and our nervous system stays regulated because we're able to have a flexible nervous system that goes into responsiveness to the stressor and then comes back down again. No, what happens is we experience these chronic stressors and our nervous system stays activated. And we stay in that stressed out place perpetually.